Hello friends, so I'm back with another video on assignment abroad times today newspaper, and in today's newspaper it's a kind of bumper job openings today because there are 70 plus job posting and total 3000 plus jobs are published, and I'm going to cover all those job posting in today's video. So if you are seriously looking for Gulf or overseas job, then this video is for you. Please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity, and I'm sure you will get your dream job once you will watch this complete video. So friends, let's start the video. This posting is for Saudi, and there are some different categories are given. So for electronic technicians category, positions are electronic sound technicians, fire alarm technicians, CCTV technicians, firefighting and safety technicians, electronic technicians, control and addressing technicians, control and operational technicians, communication technicians, and SCADA network technicians. For mechanical technicians, the positions are chiller technicians, HVAC technician, BMS foreman, mechanical technicians, elevator technicians, pump technicians, and UPS technicians. For engineers and supervisor, the positions are electronic supervisor, security systems engineer, workshop electrical supervisor, mechanical engineer, plumbing supervisor, HSE engineer, escalator supervisor, electrical engineer, and landscaping supervisor. So friends, for all these positions, food allowance, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company, and other benefits as per Saudi labor law. So you can see the contact details like email ID and mobile numbers and detail address as well. So friends, these details you will get on every job posting at the bottom, so you can take a screenshot if needed. Next is for Saudi again for NEOM project. Client interviews will be on 28th of September in Mumbai. Positions are 3G MIG welder, 3G arc welder, airless spray painter, and man lift operator. For all these positions, the number of openings are 50 each. Attractive salary, free food and accommodation will be provided by company, and below are the contact details. Next is for Dubai. Client interviews will be on 24th of September in Mumbai. Positions are plumber, electrician, ductman, ECR, ECNR both passport will be accepted. 8 hours duty, OT, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company, and 2 years of contract. These are the details you need to carefully track, like document collection at SS Tours and Travels. The detail address is given and mobile numbers are also mentioned. This is for Saudi. Client interview will be on 25th of September. Positions are FM manager, cleaning supervisor, soft services manager, area manager for packet cleaning and cleaners. So vacancies in large numbers. Candidates must have 5 to 10 years of experience in facility management, must have BICSS certification, degree or diploma in related field. So friends, you can send your updated CV, passport copy, and certificates in a single PDF file on given email ID. Next is for Saudi again. Interviews will be on 23rd of September. Positions are housekeeping, waiters, and general workers. Knowledge of English, age limit up to 27 years. Experienced worker will be preferred and should be Muslim, because this is for maintenance company in Saudi Arabia, in Makkah and Jeddah 5-star hotels. Next is for UAE, urgently required for a multinational company. Client interviews will be on 24th of September in Mumbai. Positions are structure or pipe fabricator, pipe fitter, sandblaster, spray painter, brush painter, is senior carpenter, scaffolder, mason, electrician, and steel fixer. Long-term project of 2 years. Duty 8 hours plus OT. Free food or food allowance plus accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi. For Yamama company. Final client interview will be at Chennai on 25th of September. Positions are HVAC control panel technicians, direct digital control technicians, senior HVAC technicians, senior electrician, mechanical leadman, foreman or supervisor, electrical foreman, AutoCAD operator, fire protection technician, safety officer, work permit receiver, chiller technicians, BMS operator, HVAC technicians, appliance technicians, plumber, rigger, and crane operator. Vacancies are in large number. These are the contact details. Next is for UAE. Client interview will be on 26th of September. This is for marine oil and gas project. Interview will be in Mumbai. So attractive salary, food allowance and accommodation will be provided by company. And positions are ship repair supervisor, TIG welders, full TIG welders, fitters, pressure vessels, ship repair quality inspector, HSE officer, foreman, fabricators. So these are the openings. All welders should be qualified with any third party inspection certificates. So friends, you can see there are multiple welders and some other openings. This is for UAE. Next is for Saudi. Interviews will be at Cochin, Hyderabad and Mumbai. Indian or Gulf experience will be preferred. So friends, there are many positions. You can see the positions and salary range is given. So most of them are QC positions like QC, electrical, telecom, coating, civil, supervisor, procurement, welding. JCB operator is also there. So one subscriber is frequently were asking for JCB operator job. So please you can go for this. Rigger level 3, safety supervisor, safety officer, tile mason, plaster mason, storekeeper, ERP, electrical supervisor, auto denter cum painter, building electrician, diesel mechanic, electrical cable spicer 69 kV, HVAC technicians, forklift operator, mobile crane operator, bulldozer operator. So interviews date will be 22nd September in Cochin, 24th September at Hyderabad and Mumbai 26th September. Next is for Saudi, for a leading catering company. The positions are cook, continental, bakers or pastryman, cook, Indian, salad maker, drivers, breakfast cook, halwai cook, breakfast cook, and rice cook, waiter, assistant cook, butcher. English speaking plus must have catering experience. This posting is by Vira International, so you can see the contact details. Next is for UAE, and the positions are piping engineer, planning engineer, civil and structural engineer, draftsman, QC engineer. For oil and gas company civil division, it's a free recruitment and long-term job. The positions are all-round mason, steel fixer, shuttering carpenter, site engineer, and QA/QC civil, B or diploma in civil plus 10 years of experience. Likewise in site engineer position. And there are some positions for UAE as well, which is short-term free recruitment. So positions are light driver, bus driver, and truck driver. Valid UAE license is must. There are one posting for Qatar as well for a shutdown project, and the position is pipe fabricator. Long-term job in UAE have some other positions like pipe fabricator, junior mechanical, draftsman, rigger, pipe fitter, and structural fabricator, scaffolder as well. So friends, you can see there are multiple openings for a different countries in this posting. So you can read it carefully and apply. These are the contact details. This posting is for Middle East. It's a free recruitment. Indian experience is also accepted. Age below 35. So friends, you can see the positions. As there are many bulk openings, I would not be able to read out all this. You can take a screenshot and read it carefully later on. So they have different segments, or you can say the departments, for HT, MV, LT motor repairs and winding services. So they have positions for that, like safety officers, storekeeper, light drivers, permit receivers, and some technical positions as well. Then for transformer and generators repair and services, they have site engineers, senior technicians, and some other positions. For manufacturing and production division, they have these positions: furniture factory foreman, control panel QC technicians, manufacturing process improvement technicians, Indian cook, mechanical or electrical technicians. So these are the positions for production division. Facility management, for facility management, utility engineer, diesel generator senior technicians, solar battery energy storage technicians, and some other positions. For transformer and switchgear production, design engineers, team leader, maintenance engineer, QA/QC manager, and some other positions are there. So all engineers must have degree with ECNR passport, and supervisor and foreman must have diploma. Technician with diploma and ITI will be preferred. So friend, I'm sorry this posting is little blur because this was the longest posting, so I had to take in a low resolution. Next is for UAE. Final client interview will be at Mumbai on 28th of September. Positions are job performer, civil and mechanical, steel fixers, multi-welders, pipe fitters, mason, scaffolders, helpers, pipe fabricators. So vacancies in large number, Gulf experience candidates will be preferred. These are the contact details. Next is for UAE, for a leading aluminium and metal production industry. Final interview with client will be on 26th of September at Mumbai. Positions are surveyor, QA/QC engineers, safety officers, and junior engineers. So friends, you can see positions, number of openings, and the requirements and qualification and experience are given. So you can read that carefully. You can send the full set of documents on below email ID to apply for any of this job. Next is for a semi-government company in Dubai. So friends, as I told you, there are many job postings are remaining, so please don't skip, watch complete video. I don't want you to miss any opportunity today. So this is for a semi-government company in Dubai, landscaping and maintenance project. Client interview will be on 26th of September at Mumbai. Positions are electrician, plumber, shuttering carpenter, steel fixer, and mason. Salary will be 1400 to 1500 AED for 8 hours. Free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. This is for Saudi NEOM project. Client interview will be on 28th of September at Mumbai. Positions are structure fitter, scaffolder, rigger, and assistant surveyor. So you can see the positions are in bulk. Positions are 100 each for structure fitter, scaffolder, and rigger, and 50 openings for assistant surveyor. Attractive salary, free food, and accommodation will be provided by company. Below are the contact details. Next is for UAE. It's a long-term project. Shortlisting in progress. Interviews will be on 24th of September in Mumbai. And friends, this is free recruitment, so it means no service charge. So the positions are structural fabricators, 200 openings. Indian experience for structure fabricator is accepted. Steel fabricators, riggers, and scaffolders. Attractive salary, OT will also applicable. Food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. So qualification, minimum high school is required. Minimum 2 to 3 years of work experience in structural steel fabrication and painting industry. So these are the contact details. Age limit between 21 to 35 years. This is for Saudi Arabia. Client interview will be on 22nd of September, Sunday in Mumbai, and in Baroda interview will be on 26th of September. So the positions are pipe fabricator, fire watcher, a work permit receiver, hydraulic technicians, pipe fitter, millwright or mechanical technicians, safety supervisor, multi welders, mechanical foreman or supervisor, logistic coordinator, environment, health safety and security administration, safety officer, rigger 3 rigger specialist, and shutdown coordinator. Long term and short term both jobs are like postings are available. So must have 5 years of experience and vacancies are in large number. There will be a fixed OT, accommodation, transportation, and medical insurance will be provided by company. These are the contact details. This posting is by Bombay Travel Service. Next is for Saudi. Client face-to-face interview will be in Jamshedpur on 21st of September and in Mumbai on 24th September. So friends, this posting is also like little large, so it's not properly visible. So I'm zooming out. You can take a screenshot. Interviews will be in Jamshedpur on 21st September and in Mumbai on 24th September. You can see there are bulk openings like technicians, others, and operators, engineers, supervisors. So there are bulk openings for these postings. If you are getting difficulty in reading this posting, then please message me personally on WhatsApp. I will share a clear this pic with you. To join my WhatsApp group, you will get the WhatsApp group link in description. So there are multiple openings in this posting. Next is for Abu Dhabi, shortlisting in process, client interviews shortly. So positions are plumber, assistant plumber, electrician, assistant electrician. Salary range is given for all the positions. Free food and OT will be provided by company. 8 hours duty. They have not mentioned anything about accommodation and transportation, so you can get that clarified before you apply. Next is for Saudi and Kuwait for a leading telecom company. Client interviews will be in Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Hyderabad on 29 September to 4th October. Only shortlisted candidate will be interviewed by the client. So friends, I will read out all the positions. So if you find any suitable positions, you need to apply immediately. If your CV gets shortlisted, any of the above locations you can choose, contact them and they will arrange your interview between 29 September to 4th October. So the positions are drivers, light and heavy, tower rigger, tower technicians, telecom engineers, project managers, telecom tower engineers, project controllers or senior engineers, tower carpenters, civil engineers, carpenters, tower masons, helpers, draftsmen, tower supervisor, documentation controller cum AutoCAD, cooks, office boys, steel fixer, tower helper, civil supervisor, safety engineers and project managers. 2 years contract, vacancies in large number, attractive salary with food or food allowance, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. These are the contact details and email IDs. Next is for UAE, walk-in interviews on Monday 23rd September. For MEP division, positions are MEP, foreman, electrician and plumbers. For construction division, positions are civil foreman, mason, tile fixer, electrician, plumber, welder for grill and fabrication, aluminum fabricator, construction labor assistant, mason, block and plaster, shuttering carpenter, steel fixer, painter. These are the positions. All candidate with GET landing permit for Dubai, no visa stamping in Delhi, immediate visas and departure. So these are the details. There are some requirement for EPC contractor in UAE for the ongoing project and the position is welders 6G, 6GR, Indian, experience in duplex, Inconel, SS, CS. So these are the posting and the contact details are given below. Next is for Dubai, client interviews will be on 24th of September. Positions are mechanical engineers, plumbing engineers, panel board wiring technicians, fabricators, panel board, bus bar technicians, AC technicians, ductman, shuttering carpenter, electrician, civil engineers, HSC officers, pipe fitters, masons, steel fixer, and plumbers. So free food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Candidates should have minimum 3 to 4 years of construction industrial experience in the relevant field. So these are the details. Next is for Europe. So they have multiple openings for different countries, for Europe, for UAE, Oman, and Kuwait. So for Europe, the positions are IT executive, heavy truck driver, storekeeper, payroll assistant, quality assurance, quality control, accountant, plumber, HR and admin, civil site engineer. For UAE, project engineer, document controller, structural fabricator, finishing carpenter, bus driver, UAE license, mason, assistant mason, MEP engineer, HSC officer, vessel fabricator, pipe fabricator, electrician, painter, and plumber. And the positions for Oman are fabricator, grinder, and welder 6G. Positions for Kuwait are camp boss, night come breakfast cook, Arabic and continental cook, food and safety control officer, pastry cum baker, senior Indian cook, and assistant cook. Benefits will be free accommodation will be provided by company. So they have not mentioned anything about other facilities. Please get that clarified before you apply for these positions. So this was the multiple openings. This is for NSH Abu Dhabi. Client interviews will be on 24th of September in Mumbai. Positions are welding foreman, millwright fitter, pipe fabricator, brush painters, piping foreman, rigger, mechanical fitter, welder, and pipe fitter. Attractive salary. Candidate should have minimum 5 years of experience. Gulf experience will be preferred. Next is for UAE. 2 years long-term job. It's for an Indian reputed company. Client interview will be on 26th and 27th of September. So positions are marble mason, aluminium fabricator, carpenter, scaffolder, steel fixer. Employment visa, age limit 21 to 49. Normal medical, Indian and Gulf written candidate are accepted. ECR, ECNR, both passport are accepted. 8 hours duty, 26 days monthly plus overtime. Free food, accommodation, transportation, and medical also will be provided by company. So these are the contact details. So friends, all consultants who are posting their jobs in Assignment Abroad Time newspaper, they are properly registered agencies. You can see their license number mentioned below on each job posting. This is for Uzbekistan. Client interviews will be on 29th of September in Mumbai. Positions are piping supervisor, piping foreman, 6G welders, and there are some other category welders are required. You can read that carefully. Pipe fitters, and again some 6G, 5G, SMAW, GTAW, all category welders are required. So SSC ITI with minimum 5 to 10 years of experience in a relevant field is required. And to apply for these jobs, you can send your documents on ksa@asiapower.co. These are the contact details. Next is for Saudi, Dammam. Positions are electrical engineer, poultry houses mechanic, generator mechanic, electromechanical technicians, electrical technicians, senior mechanical technicians, refrigeration and AC electrician, warehouse keeper, housing supervisor, salesman or heavy driver, welder and cook, continental and Gulf foods. So candidates should have minimum 5 years of poultry farm experience in India or Gulf countries for all above positions. Benefits: attractive salary, OT, paid leave, free accommodation or allowance, and weekly off as per Saudi labor law. Next is for Dubai. Direct client interviews in Mumbai, Chennai, and Cochin shortly. Positions are charge hand, diesel in charge, foreman, building machine operator, operator, EOT crane, forklift, placing boom, shovel, radial conveyor operator, mobile pump operator, driver, and transit mixer driver, skid stealer. Batching plant operation, batching plant operator, batching plant, static line installation, placing boom, erection, and jacking team erections. Electrician, technicians, ice plant, plant and vehicle, checkpoint site, hydraulic mechanic, assistant mechanic, water treatment plant operator, plumber, and assistant logistic operator. So Gulf experience is must for all the positions. Shortlisting is in progress, so you can apply. Next is for Saudi L&T. Client interview will be on 30th of September in Mumbai. Positions are electrician, mechanical fitter, helper, foreman, charge hand, mason, carpenter, steel fixer, scaffolder, 6G arc, structural builder, and foreman plumbing. Indian experience is also considerable. All candidates should have minimum 5 plus years of experience, and for foreman 10 years of experience in relevant field. Large number of openings, so you can see the details. 2 years contract, free food and accommodation will be provided by company, 8 hours duty plus OT. This is for Qatar, oil and gas construction. Shortlisted candidate will be called for the final interview with the client shortly. Gulf, 4 to 5 years of experience is must, age below 45 years. So friends, you can see there are multiple openings. You can take a screenshot of these positions if needed. This is for oil and gas maintenance for Qatar itself. Middle East oil and gas maintenance for some other countries maybe. So all engineers must have degree with ECNR passport, and supervisor and foreman must have diploma. Technicians with diploma and ITI will be preferred. They have some requirements for their office in Mumbai as well, the consultant. The positions are technical consultant, recruitment coordinators, and sourcing executives. These are the contact details, email ID, and detail address. So friends, please take a screenshot and review the positions later on. Next is for UAE. Client interviews will be on 26th of September. Positions are sales manager, salary will be 4,000 to 5,000 AD. Sorry, for sales manager 6,000 to 7,000. Sommeliers, it will be 4,000 to 5,000 AD. Retail store managers, senior retail store managers, trade marketing managers, and marketing managers. All the categories should have experience in any FMCG. Experience in alcohol beverages is an added advantage. So these are the contact details. If you found any suitable position, you can apply immediately. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be in Mumbai in October. Positions are cook, kitchen helper, worker, waiters, barista, car, bus, and bike drivers for deliveries, team leader, scaffolders, construction worker, cleaners, maintenance technicians, electrical and mechanical, rope access technicians. For a leading construction company in UAE, there are some openings. Positions are senior telecom technicians, civil or tower erection riggers, operators, bulldozer, shovel, and excavator, aluminum fabricator, welder 6G, GTAW, SMAW. Client interviews in Hyderabad for UAE in September 24, like maybe in the next week. Positions are sales staff, bellman, and public area attendant. Freshers can apply. So for these positions, those who don't have any experience also can apply. So this can be a good opportunity for freshers. Below are the contact details for Mumbai and Hyderabad. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 24th of September. Interview will be in Mumbai, as I said. The address is given. So they have mentioned the salary range for all the positions. So the positions are electrical supervisor, foreman, charge hand, testing assistant, cable tray fitter, electrical foreman, charge hand, industrial electrician, electrician in cable glanding and termination, earthing work, equipment erection and cable laying, building electrician, electromechanical fitter and helper electrical. Food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. 8 hours duty. So these are the contact details. You can take a screenshot if needed. This is also for L&T NEOM project. So friends, for this posting, client interviews will be on 23rd of September in Mumbai. And you can see the positions for Saudi, Dammam, project manager, pricing and invoicing engineer, sales engineer, supervisor, coordinator, project supervisor, SPMT operator, logistics supervisor, coordinator, general supervisor, AutoCAD draftsman, operations manager, IT specialist, mechanical engineer, marketing specialist, accountant, heavy lift driver, trailer driver and diesel or hydraulic mechanic and auto electrician. And there are some positions for construction and facility management. The positions are mechanical or civil engineer, estimator, electrical or firefighting technicians, chiller technicians, appliances technicians, BMS operator, HVAC technician, storekeeper, safety officer and building electrician. So these are the contact details. Next is for Kuwait. Client interviews will be on 26th and 27th of September in Mumbai. Maintenance experience is must. Positions are engineer contracts, maintenance and planning engineer, mechanical maintenance engineer, contract administrator, mechanical maintenance supervisor, rotating equipment supervisor, scheduler, rotating equipment mechanic, assistant rotating equipment mechanic, tool room attendant, supervisor tool room, foreman, mechanical maintenance, executive secretary, senior scheduler, general fitter for shutdown, machinist, engineers, supervisors, general fitters, rotating equipment mechanics or assistants. So these all are the positions for Kuwait, and interviews will be on 26th and 27th of September in Mumbai. They have mentioned the list of documents which you need to be submit for the apply while you applying for any of these jobs. So updated CV, mark sheet if engineer, experience certificate, qualification certificate, Saudi card, KSC card if engineer and passport copy. Next is for Kuwait. This is for maintenance project. Client interviews in Mumbai will be on 26th and 27th of September. Positions are rotating equipment mechanic, assistant rotating equipment mechanic, senior scheduler, foreman mechanical maintenance, supervisor, engineer, design engineer, general fitter, machinist, contract administrator and tool room attendant. So these are the contact details. So friend, next this opening is for Oman, and client interviews will be on 25th of September. Positions are civil QC inspector, planning, mechanical or civil, civil surveyor, utility operator, welding supervisor, mechanical supervisor, welder, sandblaster, spray painter, helpers, riggers, grinders, gas cutter, pipe fitter and painter, brush and roller. So candidate should have experience in oil and gas field. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. So friends, very few postings are remaining, so please don't skip, watch complete video. This posting is for a Korean contracting company in Saudi Arabia. Shortlisting in progress, and there will be a online interview with the clients. Aramco experience is mandatory in oil and gas, at least 5 to 10 years of experience required. GIS engineer, GIS supervisor, QC manager, QC supervisor, QC inspector, HSC manager, HSC supervisor, and HSC officer. So shortlisting between 10 to 6 in Asia Power office. These are the contact details like email ID if you want to apply for these positions. Next is for Dubai, MEP building division. So the positions are MEP planning engineer, electrical site engineer, MEP site engineer, MEP project engineer, MEP project engineer, sorry, I'm really sorry friends, yeah. So MEP storekeeper, HVAC foreman, transport in charge come driver, MEP coordinator, electrical draftsman, senior MEP draftsman, plumbing foreman, BMS foreman, and camp boss. UAE Gulf experience only. Final interview with client on 25th of September in their office in Mumbai and Chennai. Chennai will be 26th and Mumbai will be 25th. Contact detail is given. This is for Dubai. Final client interview will be in Kolkata on 21st and 22nd, in Jamshedpur 23rd, in Mumbai 25th, and Baroda 26th, Chennai 27th of September. So the positions are CHW pipe fitter, assistant ductman, firefighting technicians, fire sealant technicians, charge hand, ductman, fire alarm and emergency technicians, foreman, plumbing and ELV, helper, firefighting technicians, technicians ELV, plumber, helper, fire alarm, AC ductman, foreman, fire sealant, foreman, cladding, charge and ELV, and electrician. These are the positions. You can send your documents on the given email ID, and the mobile numbers are also mentioned. This is for Kuwait. Client interviews will be on 27th of September at Mumbai. So friends, there are multiple positions. You can take a screenshot. Free food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Candidates should have experience in oil and gas, refinery and petrochemical field. So you can take a screenshot of these openings and then screenshot of the contact details like email ID where you need to send the documents. Next is for Qatar. It's a 6 to 9 months project. Shortlisted candidate will be interviewed by next week. The positions are procurement category officer, structural supervisor, corporate procurement officer, welders in given categories, structural fabricators, blasters, painters, scaffolders, insulators, fitters and riggers. These are the contact details. Next is for Middle East. Client interviews will be on 23rd and 24th of September. Positions are pipe fabricators and pipe fitters, and there are some positions for mall or hospital facility maintenance. For their shortlisting from 21st to 25th of September, and then there will be a final interview. So you can see these positions as well. HVAC technician, plumber, civil job performer, mall mechanic, chiller plant operator, fire and safety system supervisor, BMS operator, facility maintenance engineer or manager. Next is for Kuwait. Client interviews will be on 30th of September. Shortlisting on 23rd to 26th of September. And friends, this is free recruitment. It means you no need to pay any service charge to the consultants. Positions are manhole watcher, fire watcher, planning engineer, planners, schedulers, job tracker, QA/QC engineer, QA/QC inspectors, unit in charge, supervisors, column vessels, exchanger, filter, strainer, valves, valve trackers, hydrojetting, flange management, fabrication, scaffolding, insulation and rigging. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. So the requirement are in large number. This is for UAE bike riders. Number of opening 2000 plus. So it's a huge openings for bike riders. Visa is ready and they will get commission plus tips. Monthly income will be 3000 to 4500 AED. Accommodation and food allowance will be provided by company. Candidate should have two-wheeler Indian valid license. So friends, these are the contact details for bike riders, and there are some positions for Kuwait for a catering company. Positions are camp boss, catering supervisor, cook, western and continental, trainee camp boss. You can see the positions and salary. Client interviews will be on 29th of September. Accommodation, food and transportation will be provided by company for positions in Kuwait. Next is for Dubai. Client interviews will be on 23rd of September. Positions, you can see trade, quantity, salary range and food allowance is mentioned. So the positions are carpenter, steel fixer, scaffolder, mason, electrician, spray painter, structure or pipe fabricators, sandblasters, Indian experience and sandblaster with Gulf experience. Likewise for spray painter. So you can apply along with all the documents. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 25th of September for a large oil and gas company. So the positions are manager, project control or welding, engineer contracts planning, engineer construction planning, engineer in hydro test, design, welding, procurement, cost control, contracts administrator, scheduler mechanical, quantity surveyor, estimator for cost, rigger 3, supervisor QC, scheduler, cost estimator, inspector QC in civil, coating, batching plant, piping, electrical, telecom, material, mechanical and many more. Foreman hydro test, piping and rigging, supervisor piping and non-metallic. Minimum 5 years oil and gas experience is mandatory. Graduation diploma in relevant field is mandatory. Attractive salary. So these are the contact details. China travels and trade links. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be in Delhi, Cochin, Hyderabad, Mumbai by first week of October. Attractive salary and vacancies are in large number. So the positions are lab technical manager, HSC officer, senior civil engineer, electrical inspector, senior lab technicians, assistant lab technicians, construction labor, civil engineer, concrete dam structure, QA officer, data entry, heavy driver, civil inspector, lab supervisor, lab technician, site technicians. So these are the positions for Saudi, and below are the contact details. I would repeat, interviews will be by first week of October, in the first week of October at Delhi, Cochin, Hyderabad and Mumbai. Next is for Saudi, for a catering company, Gulf experience is must. So friends, you can see there are also multiple positions like senior operations manager, project managers, hygiene officers, operations coordinator from HR background, logistics supervisor, storekeeper, maintenance supervisor, laundry supervisor, catering supervisor, camp boss, procurement supervisor, dining supervisor, tea boy supervisors, light drivers, project admin, housekeeping supervisors. And there are some positions for leading engineering company for Saudi itself. So friends, please take a screenshot. And again, for a water company also they required some positions. So you can apply with complete sets of CV, and other relevant documents in a single PDF format. So you can take a screenshot if needed. Next is for Saudi. Vacancies in large number. Positions are E&I or instrument technicians, vessel fabricators, 6G TIG arc welder, CNC drilling operators, programmers. All above positions should have minimum 6 years of experience in oil and gas, heavy engineering industry, shortlisting in progress. Client interviews in Mumbai on Sunday 22nd and Monday 23rd September. These are the contact details. Next is for UAE. Client interviews will be on 23rd and 27th of September in Mumbai. Only shortlisted candidate can attend the final interview. Positions are foreman in rigging, welding, structure, piping, shop fabrication, erection, insulator, painting, E&I, scaffolding, and many more. Fitter likewise in other different segments. Construction manager, housekeeping or cleaner, maintenance engineer, auto mechanic, short blasting machine operator, crane operator, scaffolding fabricator, electrician, E&I technicians, insulator, gas cutter, and many more. So you can take a screenshot. Free food accommodation will be provided by company. 8 hours duty and OT will also applicable. Vacancies are in large number. Below are the contact details. This posting is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 28th of September at Mumbai. So you can see the positions, take a screenshot, and if you are facing any difficulty in any of these postings, like you are not able to read or the posting is not visible, you can message me personally on WhatsApp. You will get WhatsApp link in the description and I will share with you whatever detail you require. This is for Saudi for a shutdown project in Jubail. Client interviews will be on 23rd of September in Mumbai. You can see the interview venue and contact details are given. Positions are project manager, project leader in different variant sectors, foreman, static, HP jetting, supervisor, HP jetting and static. You can see other foreman and supervisor, many positions in different segments. So you can take a screenshot. All managerial engineers equivalent profiles must have degree with minimum 7 to 10 years of experience. Supervisor officers and equivalent position must have degree or diploma with minimum 5 to 7 years of experience. Technicians must have diploma or ITI with minimum 3 to 5 years of experience. So these positions for Saudi Jubail location. This is also for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 25th of September at Mumbai. Positions are engineer, civil, QA, QC, MEP, environment, audio, visual, and agriculture. Supervisor, pump, HVAC, WTP, site, cleaning, SCADA, landscape, STP, RO, MEP. Technicians, AC, agriculture, chiller, computer, HVAC, instrument, leak detection, office equipment, sewage plant, satellite, gas cutter, CCTV, elevator, and aluminum glass. Operators in CTP machine like printing press, forklift, STP, BMS, generator, equipment, SCADA, STP, RO, Bobcat, or CFM. Candidates must have degree or diploma with 4 to 6 years of Gulf experience. So this posting was for Saudi. Interviews will be on 25th. Next is for Saudi for a leading construction company. Positions are salesman, rental, ambulance driver, and equipment purchaser. And for a leading maintenance company, the positions are project manager, pest control supervisor, quality management lead, electromechanical engineer, interface management lead, assistant management, spare parts and consumable lead, performance management lead, motor winding performer, control panel technicians, civil engineer, RM planning, pest control technicians, welding officers, compliance lead, BMS technicians, mechanical technicians, and fire pump technicians. QC coating inspector, MEP supervisor. Must have Indian or Gulf experience. CV selection followed by online interview. Next is free recruitment for Saudi for a shutdown project. Client interviews will be in Mumbai on 24th of September. You can see the category, number of openings, and salary range is given. Food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided for all the positions, but OT is mentioned for which position it will be applicable or not. So you can read all the detail carefully before you apply. You can take a screenshot of this posting to read out the positions. Next is for NSH Abu Dhabi. Shortlisting in progress. Client interviews will be on 24th of September in Mumbai. Positions are piping foreman, welding foreman, painting foreman, pipe welder, pipe fitter, brush painter, and rigger. Minimum 2 to 5 years of experience in oil and gas industry. You can send your documents on mansi@asiapower.co to apply for above positions. This posting is for UAE. Client interviews will be on 28th of September in Mumbai and 29th September in Mangalore. Positions are crane operator, forklift operator, light vehicle driver, bus driver, rigger, heavy haulage helper, mechanic, assistant electrician, junior service coordinator, generator operator, generator electrician, assistant electrician, generator mechanic, assistant mechanic, and chiller technicians. Heavy driver for trailer. So this requirement was for Saudi. CV selection. The above positions was required for UAE, and there is one position for Saudi. It's a CV selection. So the position is generator technicians. Food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Dubai. This is for ITI freshers for multiple roles in batching plant, ready mix plant, hands-on training, career growth opportunities, computer play. Launch your career with this company. Direct line interview in Mumbai, Chennai, and Cochin. So those who are ITI freshers can go for these positions. And this is for Azizi Developments Dubai. You can see the contact details. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 27th of September in Mumbai. Positions, you can see there are multiple welders, pipe fitter, structural fitters are required. They have mentioned the salary range. 8 hours duty plus overtime. Food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Dubai. Positions are civil project engineer, planning engineer, senior civil engineer, civil structure engineer, QA/QC engineer, safety manager, quantity surveyor, and civil draftsman. So all engineering candidate with BE degree in civil engineering, Gulf experience is mandatory. You can send your documents in a single PDF format on below email ID. This is free recruitment for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 28th of September in Mumbai and 29th September in Surat, 30th September Baroda. The positions are TIG arc welder and pipe fabricator. Candidate must have 5+ years of oil and gas experience. Gulf return candidate will be highly preferable. So attractive salary package, vacancies are in large number. This is for NBTC UAE. It's a long-term job. Interviews will be in Mumbai on 29th September and Baroda at 30th September. Positions are charge hands, civil, carpenters, laborers, wall painters, riggers, steel fixers, and AC technicians. Candidates should have minimum 3+ years of experience, preferably in Gulf. So below are the contact details. Next is for Kuwait. Face-to-face interviews will be in Mumbai. Shortlisting is in progress. Positions are senior mechanical technicians rotating, mechanical technicians, and you can see the salary is also mentioned. So you can send your documents on the given email ID. And friends, this was the free recruitment. Next is for Bahrain. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Client interviews will be on 23rd of September. Positions are piping supervisors, 6G welders, TIG arc plus CS, pipe fitters and mechanical helpers. 2 years renewable contract, 8 hours duty plus OT. Below are the contact details. Next is free recruitment for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 23rd of September. Positions are piping or QC inspector, welding QC inspector, piping or structural engineer, vessel tank fabricators, piping or structure fabricators, welders. Gulf and Indian both experience will be accepted. Immediate departure, vacancies in large number. Food, accommodation and transportation with other benefits as per Saudi law will be provided by company. Next is for Riyadh, for a leading group of star hotels. Client interviews will be on 24th of September, Cochin, 25th September, Mumbai. Positions are hotel operations supervisor, hotel cost controller, front office agent, hotel accountant, night auditor, sales executive, graphic designer, laundryman. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. And there are some positions for a reputed company in Saudi. It's a CV selection. Positions are welding engineer, diesel mechanic, hydraulic mechanic, car, diesel, petrol mechanic, production technicians or operator. Vacancies are in large number. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 25th of September. For a leading construction company, positions are estimator, HVAC and chiller technicians, BMS operator, electrical and firefighting. And there are some positions for logistic company for Saudi itself. The positions are project manager, operations manager, heavy lift engineer, sales manager, project supervisor, pricing or invoicing engineer, heavy lift operators, hydraulic bed trailer driver, flat bed heavy trailer driver. All above categories must have 3 years of experience in logistic company. So below are the contact details. So friends, this was the last posting of today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and was useful. So friends, as I told you, there was total 3000 plus jobs. Don't miss the opportunity, and if you need any kind of help or guideline, you can join my WhatsApp group and message me personally. I will definitely reply you, and you can also comment in the video. I will reply there also. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.